Statistics and Probability. Stage 2 Mathematics. Lesson 1 Action. Hey Sam, isn't that a graph in the newspaper you are reading?
I'm not sure what kind of graph that is. Well, I know it has columns, so that means it's a column graph.
Yes, that's exactly right, Sam.
What are those rectangles?
Those rectangles are called columns, and these ones are called vertical columns because they are going straight up and down. They can be different lengths, but always have equal spacing between them.
What are those words and numbers doing around the graph?
Well, wherever the bottom of the columns are, you will find words. Each one is called a category.
Oh, so the columns are always sitting on the words, and the words are different categories.
Yes, and these help to tell us information about the title.
So, without the categories, we wouldn't know anything about the title?
Exactly. We also need the numbers that are written on the vertical axis. This tells us the data so that we can display or show the results of the information that we collect.
So, we need the title to know the graph is talking about favorite sport. Ding! We need the categories on the horizontal axis to know which sports the graph is focusing on, e.g. soccer, and the number which tells us how many people like soccer, e.g. 9 people. Ding!
Wow, you sound like an expert on column graphs. You are on fire! Let me test you with a tricky one I found from a survey by students at a school.
So, this is also a column graph, but it fallen over onto its side?
Yes, but it is not as tricky as it looks. It is the same type of graph, but the table has been flipped. The categories are still on the bottom of the columns, but the columns are now horizontal bars. Take a look at this one that I found on the internet.
Oh, this one is easy. It is a picture graph because it has pictures.
We know how many mangoes there are because of the key that shows the symbol that represents the data in the graph. The symbols tell us what each fruit equals.
Thanks. Now I want to go make my very own graph on different types of fish I eat a day.
You can use the spreadsheet on a computer to create your own graph and type up the categories and numbers in a list.
Well, I'm off. Thanks for your help.
Bye, Sam!
Created using Powtoon.